Hello everyone, I'm Asa Waldstein, and today's talk involves a small herbal company that got in big trouble for making disease claims. So this is yet another example of how a well-intentioned herbalist-owned, very small company was cited for disease claims. And this is again demonstrates the point that no company is too small to be off the FDA's radar. So this is a company, they're a farm, and they make small batch products made by their herbalists there. They actually seem like the kind of people that I'd want to hang out with. Really seems like they're doing great things for the earth, but unfortunately they don't know the rules of dietary supplement marketing. So in herb schools and a lot of ND schools and acupuncture schools, there's very little to no education about marketing compliance. So a lot of these schools do a great job of training herbalists and doctors and acupuncturists. They go out into the world, they want to do good, and then they make products to help people, but they don't know the nuances and the do's and don'ts of marketing compliance. So that's one of the reasons why I've started this channel in my Warning Letter Wednesday post, is to help educate everyone, especially these young herbalists, entrepreneur people, about what they should and shouldn't do, and about the basics of DSHEA compliance, the Dietary Supplement Health and Education Act. So also really interesting in this warning letter is the second mention I've seen ever of the word brain fog. This is really interesting. Do you consider brain fog to be a claim? Well, according to HHS, brain fog can be a symptom of long-haul COVID. And long-haul COVID is a disability that's recognized by the Americans for Disabilities Act, the ADA. So according to this, if a company is making a brain fog claim, this could potentially be a applied treatment claim of something that is a symptom of COVID. So is brain fog a claim? Well, if it's occasional brain fog and it's not related to a disease, that's pretty low risk. But if it's brain fog related to COVID, this is pretty high risk. And so in this warning letter, the FDA cited hashtag postcovid syndrome, hashtag longcovidrecovery, hashtag longcovidsymptoms in the same context that they're talking about brain fog. So pretty obvious brain fog related to COVID was the purpose of this marketing. So this is a joint FDA and FTC warning letter, which has become pretty common when COVID claims are present. Also included in this warning letter is a cease and desist letter. Basically what this means is the company is barred from making COVID-related product claims, or they can face a fine of $46,000 per occurrence and perhaps need to refund the customers, every customer that bought the product. So this is pretty serious. So again, I'm Asa Waldstein. I love talking to you about regulatory compliance, and let's help spread the word, especially to these small companies, that making disease claims is not a sustainable business practice. Have a great day. Bye.